All right, here's the gas truck. Well, this is the old brand new truck. I mean, the equipment is all brand new, but we use the used truck, used chassis, just to save you some money, right? So this is the 2012 Ford E450 with the 5.4 V8 engine and a 5-speed transmission. So this truck got a very clean interior, got a 87,000 miles. Runs great. Got a camera, um, same strobe lights, floodlights. Comes with a tablet holder if you wish. So it's very clean and drives so good. But anyways, let me show you the truck itself. So we got the same design here. I'll put a bigger box here because this truck doesn't care much about the weight. Like on that truck, we tried to put a lighter aluminum box just to save some, some weight. So this is a stainless steel bed, an aluminum hopper, aluminum sidewalls, and the same dual bin hopper with the same capacity of 520 gallons of water. Drain, you just, well, the way it works, you just open up this safety cap and open the valve. So we got some water here. I didn't know that. You do have a storage compartment right here. Oh, and this is, by the way, the valve, the drain valve for me. So it's pretty simple. It's a 3-inch hole, and it's a RV valve, elbow, and a quick connect adapter for the super hose. And like I said, in 5 years, this never get any issues with me, like never get clogged or something like that. So the same 6 floodlights around. The control panel, all the same. There's the voltage. Oops. Different remote control. Okay. So all the same. So this truck has a 12 minutes. Okay. All right. Now let's see inside. It's all the same. Color power washer, AR pump, the same capacity, 550 gallons of water. We do have outlets here. It's for the aux and filling hose. This is your pressure washer reel, strobe lights, and that's about it.